Greetings to our viewers. The old saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention, but I believe true wisdom lies in knowing how to transform simple, everyday items into powerful tools. Without further ado, let's explore 10 more tips to make your journey to mastering life easier and more enjoyable. 21. Checking the freshness of eggs. How to distinguish between fresh and old eggs without cracking them open. Solution: drop the egg into a glass of water. If it sinks horizontally, it's fresh. If it floats, it's old. Why it works: the air sac inside the egg grows larger over time, reducing its density and causing it to float. 22. Cleaning narrow-necked vases. Small-mouthed glass vases are a nightmare to clean inside. How to clean: crush eggshells, put them in the bottle with dish soap, and shake vigorously. Why it works: the tiny sharp edges of the eggshells act as a natural abrasive, dislodging stubborn stains. 23. Maintaining the shine of silverware. Silver jewelry or cutlery quickly tarnishes due to air exposure. How to clean: place a piece of chalk inside your silverware container. Why it works: chalk absorbs moisture and sulfur, preventing the reaction that causes tarnishing. 24. Rescuing clothes stained with chewing gum. Gum stuck to fabric often becomes messier when you try to remove it. How to clean: apply an ice cube to the gum until it freezes, then slowly peel it off. Why it works: low temperatures cause chewing gum to lose elasticity, becoming brittle and easily detached. 25. Removing ballpoint pen ink stains from shirts. These are often difficult to wash off with regular soap. Solution: apply rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer to the stain, let it sit, then wash. Why it works: alcohol acts as an organic solvent, dissolving the oil base in the ink. 26. Restoring freshness to your refrigerator. Unpleasant mixed odors can easily develop. Solution: place a bowl of dry coffee grounds or a bag of charcoal in the innermost corner. Why it works: the porous structure of coffee grounds and charcoal effectively absorbs and neutralizes odor molecules. 27. Restoring the sharpness of scissors. After prolonged use, your scissors become dull. Solution: fold aluminum foil into several layers and continuously cut through it with the scissors. Why it works: friction with the aluminum helps to smooth and flatten the tiny chips on the scissor blades. 28. Fixing a stuck zipper. A jacket or bag zipper can become stiff and won't move smoothly. Solution: rub the tip of a black pencil thoroughly on the zipper teeth where it's stuck. Why it works: the graphite in the pencil acts as a dry lubricant, allowing the zipper to slide smoothly. 29. Optimizing candle lifespan. Candles often burn quickly and produce unsightly black smoke. Solution: place the candle in the freezer for about 2 hours before lighting it. Why it works: cold wax burns slower, the flame is more stable, and smoke is significantly reduced. 30. The correct liquid pouring technique. Liquid often flows unevenly and splashes from a carton. Solution: pour with the opening facing upwards instead of tilting it upside down. Why it works: this allows air to circulate easily, balancing the pressure for a stable flow. As you can see, life is like a piece of music, and these little tips are the highs and lows that make it more interesting. Thank you for your continued support, wishing you a day full of energy and always maintaining the most refined perspective. Goodbye, and see you again on the next 10 tips.